In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix TradingView login problems and account access. Go to TradingView.com. Start by resetting your password. Click the avatar icon in the top right corner. In the menu that appears, click Sign In. On the Sign In panel, look below the word OR and click Email. If you only see sign-in options like Google, Apple, or X, click Show More first, then click Email. The sign-in form will open with fields for your email or username and your password. Under the password field, click the link that says I forgot password or can't sign in. This opens the Find Your Account form. In the single input field, type the email address linked to your account. Enter your registered email address carefully, then pause long enough to confirm it looks correct on screen. Check the I'm not a robot box and complete any image challenge if one appears. When that is done, click Search. TradingView will show the recovery options available for that account. This is usually a registered email address or a phone number. Select one of the available recovery methods. A recovery link or code will be sent there. Open your email, click the reset link, and set a new password. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies for TradingView. In Chrome, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Click Delete Browsing Data. In older Chrome versions, this may be under More Tools, then Clear Browsing Data. The Delete Browsing Data dialog will appear. At the top, open the Time Range dropdown and set it to All Time. Check Cookies and other site data. Check Cached Images and Files. Leave Browsing History unchecked if you want to keep it. Then click Delete Data. Now try signing in again. Go back to TradingView.com. You may need to refresh the page or open a new tab. Click the avatar icon in the top right. Click Sign In and log in normally with your account details. If the login still fails, open an incognito window and try signing in there. On Windows, press Ctrl+Shift+N. On Mac, press Command+Shift+N. Then attempt the sign in again in that private window. If you're getting a session expired error, a too many sessions error, or the issue started right after a plan upgrade, log out from all devices. You need to be signed in on at least one device for this part. While logged in on TradingView.com, click your avatar in the top right corner. In the dropdown, click Settings and Billing. The Profile Settings page will open. In the left sidebar, under Account and Security, click Active Sessions. On the right side, you'll see each signed-in device listed with a Log Out button on every row. Your current session will be marked Active Now in teal. Scroll to the bottom of the session list. Click Log Out Everywhere. Confirm when prompted. This will terminate every session except the one you are currently using. If needed, sign out of the current session too, then sign back in cleanly. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. If you have lost access to both your email and your 2FA or phone and the forgot password flow cannot send a recovery link, use the account recovery form. In your browser, go to tradingview.com/account-recovery/. The account recovery form will load. Start filling in the identification fields. In username, type your TradingView username. Enter it carefully and make sure the full username is visible in the field. In full name, type the name the account is registered under. In email, enter the original email linked to the account. In alternative email, enter a current email address that you can access now, because this is where support will contact you. In phone number, enter the phone number linked to the account if you had one on the account. Next, choose the issue type and payment details. Click the Issue Type dropdown and select the option that matches your situation. Click the Payment Method dropdown and choose how you last paid. If you paid by card, enter the last 4 digits of that card in the card number field. In the last transaction ID field, paste the transaction ID from your most recent payment receipt. Now upload proof of ownership. Under Attach an invoice or another confirmation of payment, click the Upload area and select your payment receipt file. Under Additional Information confirming your ownership of the account, type the details requested about the account, including devices used, the approximate sign-up date, and saved chart names. Enter that information clearly so each detail appears in the text box as you type. Under Selfie with Document, drag in a photo of yourself holding a government-issued ID. Check the box confirming that you understand you should not create a new account while waiting for a response from the agent. Then click Submit. TradingView support will reply to the alternative email within a few business days.